Sazicela kuyisihlanu izinyanga selokhu kwanyamalala uJocelyn Smith kuze kube manje akaziwa ukuthi ukuphi. Namhlanje enkantolo umbuso ucele ukuthi icala lihlehliswe ukuze ukwazi ukuphothula uphenyo ngalo kanye nokucubungula kahle ubufakazi.
The matter is going to respond once again to give the state an opportunity to complete the investigation, and the date agreed to between the state and the defense is the 16th of September for further investigation. You're all in custody until
Umbuso uthi ubufakazi okhuluma ngabo bufaka phakathi amarekhodi omakhalekhukhwini babasolwa kanye nobunye.
There are some outstanding forensic reports that we are still waiting for, and there's been more evidence, forensic evidence that came. So that is being analyzed, as well as the data analysis of the cell phones that is still being analyzed.
Ukubonakala kukanina kaJocelyn, uKayleigh Ezithwele, kushiya abaningi benemibuzo ngokuqhubeka kwecala.
We are not in a position to confirm whether she is pregnant or not. I think she will be, or her lawyers will be in a better position to comment on that. But even if she is and she gives birth, the case may be delayed, but the case in the end will continue.
Umbuso uphinde wadalula ukuthi mhla leli cala liphinde libuyele enkantolo ngoMandulo uzocela ukuthi lidluliselwe enkantolo ephakeme yase Western Cape.